Unboxing and review of TCL 75-inch QD Mini LED TV. TCL 75-inch QD Mini LED TV has a Google TV operating system with a quad-core processor. Has a dimension of 95.2 into 166.7 into 7.2 centimeters without stand, and has a dimension of 102.5 into 166.7 into 34 centimeters with stand, and weighs 29.1 kilograms without stand, and 31 kilograms with stand. Bezel wall mount 400 into 400. Screen resolution of 3840 into 2160, power consumption 125 kWh per year and capable of displaying images at 144 frames per second. Has 4 types of HDR. Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, HDR10 and HLG. Connectivity of for HDMI 2.1, eARC HDMI 4. 1 USB Type-A, 1 CI slot. 2 RF in, 1 SPDIF, optical digital audio out. And 1 headphone out. Audio of 215 watts, 120 watts, Dolby AC4. Dolby True HD, Dolby Atmos, and DTS Virtual X. Picture quality is clear in a variety of lighting conditions, including bright sunlight. Even in midsummer when the sun shines into the room, you still can see clear pictures with vivid colors. TCL QD Mini LED is a visual masterpiece with vivid visuals with lifelike colors and an ultra-high contrast ratio. It also features higher peak brightness of 1500 nits, a wider color gamut, and a longer lifespan, making it a leading-edge display technology. Please subscribe for more videos.